Hi, let's do a quick break at your desk. Bring yourself to a comfortable seat, relax your shoulders, breathe in. And as you breathe out, bring your right ear to the right shoulder. Come back to center as you inhale. Exhale, bring the left ear to the left shoulder. Come back to center, breathe in. Breathe out, lower the chin to the chest, and take your hands behind the head, interlace the hands. Just take a moment to gently move your chin from shoulder to shoulder as if you were tracing your collarbones. Pause at the center. Inhale, draw the elbows out, lift your chest. Exhale, take the elbows toward one another, round your back. Again, inhale, open up. Exhale, round. Inhale, stretch your arms out. Exhale, twist toward the right, using perhaps your desk, your chair. Inhale through center, reach your arms. Exhale, twist to the other side. Come back to center. Take a moment to roll your wrists. Maybe you also roll your ankles at the same time, one way and then the other. And then slow down the movement, soften your gaze or close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Letting it expand front to back, side to side, top to bottom. And let it go. Open your eyes and return to your task.